Hi and welcome to the Moto Alchemist channel and this video on how to do the software update on a VOGE 800 Rally. And you want to begin by downloading the VOGE Global app from either App Store or Play Store, depending on if you got an Android or an iPhone. And this works equally well to do on both types of phones. This video features an iPhone. Open the app once it's downloaded and choose whatever you like here. Then select your language. I'm going for English, but as you can see, there are a bunch of other options here. Then I'm selecting Europe because that's where I am. Hit Next and register your account. The verification email comes from Amazon@lonsinindustries.com, so check junk folder because it tends to end up there. Once you're verified, log in with your email and password and choose whatever you like for the pop-up questions. Now turn on the bike's ignition. Press up, and you're going to rename your phone to match the account name you see here on the dashboard. So on the iPhone, go to Settings, General About, and change the name to the same as the bike's. For this one, it's VOGE, capital letters, -054268, and yours will most likely be different. You can enable Bluetooth if you like, but once this is done, we need the bike's password. And to make it show on the dashboard, hold the down button. Then turn on your phone's hotspot and change the hotspot password to match the bike's. It's 8 8s and has been so on all VOGE 800s I've gotten my hands on. At this point, the blue Wi-Fi icon should be visible on the dash, and your bike should also show up in the VOGE Global app looking like this. If it doesn't, make sure you've selected your bike and the connection list on your phone. In the app, press Settings, top left corner, scroll and select Vehicle Upgrade, hit Next, wait for the phone and dash to connect, press Select Vehicle Mode, choose LX800-2, hit Done, then check for updates. Press Confirm and the software will start downloading. This part is sped up. It took about 3 minutes. Confirm the upgrade by pressing Enter and then let the bike do its thing. This part takes about half a minute. Now you should be done, but let's double check the software version. Press Enter, scroll all the way to Settings, press Enter again and go to Version. As you can see, the bike is now running on version 3. On the left is a photo I took before the update when it was still on version 2. That's it. That's all on how to do the software update on a VOGE 800 Rally. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.